Hello ma'am, good day. I am Andrew J. Lamputi and this is my video presentation in quantitative methods. I choose paired t-test. What is paired t-test? A paired t-test is a statistical test used to determine whether there is a significant difference between the means of two related groups. The groups are paired because they come from the same individuals or units, often measured at two different points in time or under two different conditions. When is a paired t-test used? A paired t-test is used when two sets of related data are being compared. The data points are dependent, meaning each pair corresponds to a single unit that is measured twice under different conditions or times. The goal is to test for a significant difference in the means of the two sets. How do you use a paired t-test? Collect data, gather paired data, meaning for each subject or unit, there are two measurements: state hypothesis, null hypothesis. There is no significant difference between the means of the two groups. The mean difference is 0. Alternative hypothesis. There is a significant difference between the means of the two groups. Calculate the differences for each pair. Subtract one value from the other. Calculate the test statistic. Here is the formula of the t-statistic. What are some applications where you can use paired t-test? Application of paired t-test: medical research, comparing the effectiveness of a treatment before and after application. Example, weight loss before and after a diet. Psychology, testing behavioral changes in subjects before and after a specific intervention. Manufacturing, testing machine performance before and after repairs or modification. Education, comparing test scores of students before and after attending a course. Describe a real-world scenario where you can use the paired t-test. Real-world scenario, paired t-test in a medical study. This is the scenario. A clinical study is being conducted to the test effectiveness of a new drug and reducing blood pressure. The blood pressure of patients is measured before and after the treatment. Independent variable, the condition being tested before and after treatment. This is a categorical variable with two levels. Dependent variable, the blood pressure of the patients. This is a continuous variable. Data type, the blood pressure measurements are continuous numerical data. Steps in the paired t-test for this scenario: collect data, blood pressure readings of patients are collected before and after the drug treatment. For example, data might look like this. This is the example of collect data. Calculate the difference for each patient. Subtract the before treatment value from the after treatment. Perform the t-test. Calculate the mean difference, standard deviation of the differences, and use the formula to compute the t-statistic. Interpret results. If the p-value is less than 0.05, you would reject the null hypothesis, concluding that the drug treatment significantly reduce blood pressure. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.